Elbit Systems announced it had finalized two major agreements with Israel's Ministry of Defense, valued at a combined $260 million, 224 million euros, for the delivery of advanced airborne weapons. The move reflects a growing shift toward domestic procurement, as Israel navigates tightening restrictions on foreign arms imports in the wake of the Gaza conflict. With countries like Germany halting or slowing export approvals, Jerusalem is increasingly turning to its own defense industry to secure uninterrupted supply lines and sustain combat readiness. The munitions under the deal are described by Elbit President and CEO Bezalel Butzimaklis as brand new, engineered specifically to meet the Israel Defense Forces' evolving mission profile. While details remain under wraps, industry analysts suggest the package may include enhanced versions of the Delilah cruise missile and the Rampage supersonic missile, both optimized for precision standoff strikes against heavily defended targets. The Delilah offers roughly 250 kilometers of range, high-accuracy guidance via GPS/INS and electro-optical targeting, plus the ability to loiter before hitting mobile assets. The Rampage, developed with Israel Aerospace Industries, delivers Mach 1.5 plus speed, over 150 kilometers of reach, and the capability to neutralize strategic targets such as radar stations and fortified command nodes while keeping launch aircraft outside enemy air defense range. The deal could also feature modular guidance kits like the Lizard laser system or REST GPS-aided package, which turn unguided Mk-80 series bombs into precision-guided weapons. A potential inclusion of the GATR rocket system would further extend Israel's precision strike options for close air support, offering an 8-kilometer reach with reduced collateral risk, critical for urban warfare scenarios. Germany's August 6 decision to freeze new arms export approvals to Israel, citing humanitarian concerns, underscored the urgency of this domestic production push. Berlin's halt affects a broad spectrum of defense technologies, from naval systems to aerospace subsystems, potentially disrupting programs reliant on German components. Given Germany's historical role in supplying advanced maritime platforms like Dolphin-class submarines and Sari R-6 corvettes, the suspension poses significant long-term implications. By building these latest munitions entirely within Israel, the Ministry of Defense aims to eliminate foreign dependency in a key capability area. While European suppliers tighten restrictions, U.S. military cooperation with Israel remains strong. Washington continues to greenlight deliveries of precision munitions, aircraft systems, and missile defense hardware under existing agreements, ensuring that modernization plans for the IDF proceed as scheduled. Nevertheless, Israeli defense planners view domestic production as a necessary hedge against potential future supply disruptions. The IDF's strategic priorities increasingly focus on integrating long-range, versatile, and standoff strike options capable of overcoming advanced air defenses and striking hardened sites. Elbit's new systems align closely with these needs, being adaptable to both manned fighter jets and unmanned aerial platforms. This approach not only boosts operational flexibility but also positions Elbit to compete in a global arms market hungry for cutting-edge precision strike solutions amid conflicts from Eastern Europe to the Middle East. By securing this order, Elbit not only solidifies the IDF's ability to deliver decisive air power under challenging geopolitical conditions but also reinforces Israel's position as a leader in indigenous precision weapons technology, capable of serving national defense priorities while remaining attractive to international buyers.